All right, so I'm just really bored right now, and I was in the bathroom. I came up with this stupidly simple idea. A lot of people don't have a phone stand, and for the most part, you don't always need one. And I was in the bathroom, and I tried to set my phone on the tub in front of me to watch a video. Yeah, I know it's disgusting using your phone in the bathroom, but whatever. And being flat on the counter wasn't a very optimal viewing angle. So I found one of these old toilet paper rolls, and I thought to myself, what if I engineer a way to use this as a phone stand using as little steps as possible? Now, I wouldn't recommend using a toilet paper roll as a permanent solution because it just looks tacky, even if it works. My favorite solution for at my desk is one of these. It's a wireless charger, and it also props up your phone to charge while it's either in the portrait or the landscape position. But that's not what this video is about. The video is about the toilet paper roll. The easiest way I could think of to make this happen with as little steps as possible, you divide the roll into quadrants. So across like that and like that. So now we have quadrants. Now the distance between this quadrant and that one is about an inch. So on two of them right next to each other, cut about an inch downwards. Next, you're going to imagine a line going from this quadrant down to the bottom of your cut. And then do that for the opposite side. Now you should have some kind of shape that looks like this. So you're going to fold this one inwards halfway between the top and the bottom of the cut. You can see that it holds a phone quite nicely at a 45-degree angle, so you can use it in the bathroom or basically anywhere. And there you have it, a very simple phone holder. What am I doing with my life?